Summer is so close, so here is a sunglasses selfie project for you. The supplies you're going to need are 2 sheets of paper, a pencil and a black marker, scissors, glue, and some crayons. To start off, we're going to take 1 sheet of our paper and fold it hamburger and hot dog style. Then you're going to cut along the line that makes a tall, skinny rectangle. Now on this, we're going to draw our sunglasses, but only half of the sunglasses so we can make them symmetrical. So I'm going to fold my paper back, and I'm actually looking at some sunglasses to see the shape of the lens of the sunglasses. So I have this curved shape, and then don't forget to make the parallel line on the inside. Now I'm going to trace what I draw with a black marker, and this is going to make it easy to trace onto the other side. So trace around your pencil line with a Sharpie, or just a black Crayola marker is fine, and then you can flip it over and you can trace it onto the other side. If you cannot see your lines through your paper, you can hold it up to a window so that the light shines through the window and helps you to be able to see your lines a little bit better, and that will help you to trace your lines. So I'm going to trace the same shape that I had on the other side, and this is going to make symmetrical sunglasses. When I'm done, I can open it up and fix any lines that weren't quite matched up. And now I am going to think about what is reflected in the sunglasses. Think about what you're going to see this summer. Maybe you're going to the beach, or maybe you're going to your backyard, or to the pool, or to the park. Wherever you're going, draw a picture of that in the lens of your sunglasses. So think about what you're going to see. A reflection in the sunglasses is a reflection of what you are going to be seeing and what you're going to be doing. So this really tells a story about what your summer is going to look like, or what you hope it is going to look like. Maybe you're going somewhere really cool, or you're just staying at home and playing with your dogs in the backyard. Either way, tell your story about what you're going to be doing this summer by drawing a picture of that in the lenses of your sunglasses. So I've got a nice beach scene here with a sunset and the waves. One of my favorite places to go in the world is the beach. Now once you're done with your sunglasses, go ahead and cut them out and lay them on your second sheet of paper. Now you're going to draw a selfie, or a self-portrait. Start with a pencil to help you just get your lines right before you trace with your Sharpie or black marker. I'm going to first draw the oval really lightly, and then I'm going to fill in the details, like a mouth and a nose, lips, and the hair. But remember, your eyes won't be showing, so you don't have to worry about those. Okay, you're going to draw your hair, not only on the top of your head, but also on the sides if you have longer hair. Now if you have shorter hair, then you won't have to worry about that part either. Once you finished your hair, then you're going to draw 2 curved lines from the bottom of your chin for your neck, and then 2 more curved lines for your shoulders. Then you can draw the curved for your shirt and any other details that you want to add. Once you're done drawing all your details, go ahead and trace all your lines with your black marker or Sharpie. And once you're done with that, then it's time to color. But I do want to show you that I did a boy version. So for boys, the hair's a little bit easier and shorter usually. So here's just an example for boys, so you can have an idea of how to do one for the guys too. So now go ahead and color. I'm using crayons to color in. I like crayons because you can layer and add different shades of like skin tones and that kind of thing. Also when it comes to hair, which I have blondish brownish hair, so hard to find a crayon that really matches that, so I can kind of mix together several different colors to get something that looks more realistic. So color in all of your details and have fun doing it and making it look just like you. hope you really enjoy making a sunglasses selfie and showing me what you're going to do this summer. I hope you have an amazing summer. Please share with me what you create. I would love to see it. Until next time, be safe and I'll see you soon.